Hey everyone, this is the NERF Scout Trooper Blaster. Today we're going to paint it and weather it to make it look cool. Alright, I went ahead and took it apart. It's going to be a little easier to paint. You get these orange pieces isolated. Just don't forget how this went together. I'll be using satin black, my favorite. Okay, now let's put it together. To be careful with these springs. It's in some odd places. If there's anywhere that just didn't get enough black on it, we can just heat it again with some spray or even put some acrylic on it. Just whatever it looks like. Alright, let's put the screws in it. This goes right back in here, like so, and the scope snaps into here. But I'm probably going to go back and hit this with some more spray because I've nicked it a few times. And here's the last step. These look like they're actually permanent when they snap in. I don't know. In any case, pop that on. That might come back off if I need to. Huh. The little white piece don't even show. Well, that's good to know. Anyway, I still see a little bit of orange right down in there. A little white and orange on the trigger. But I'll get that taken care of. It's already looking a whole lot better. Here it is after I've put it together and touched up some of the scratches and stuff with some more black satin. Now I'm going to take some metallic silver paint, it's right here, and add the weathering details to it. Don't want to get too crazy with it. This is where I take it and I pull it in a tray and then use a sock or a brush and just lightly hit some areas to create some weathering effects to it. I just dabbed a little bit right there in it. Looks pretty good right there on that screw or whatever that is. So I'm going to try to hit areas that just look natural. Usually the edges of about everywhere, and then occasionally some of the larger spots. Let's try this sponge out just a little bit. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And even if you mess up and you don't like the way it turned out, you can always go back, spray it black again, and put some more silver on it. Now I know you can still see NERF and all the other writing in there, but okay, here's the final gun right here. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.